In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix too many background processes on Windows 11 or 10. Firstly, you need to do a cleanup startup. Right-click on the Windows button and open Task Manager, then Startup tab. Disable unnecessary apps and restart your computer. Now, perform a clean boot. Press Windows plus R and type msconfig and hit Enter. Go to the Services tab and check Hide all Microsoft services and then click Disable all. Now, all you have to do is turn off background processes. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find problematic apps, click on the three dots and select Advanced Options. Then set background apps permission to Never. And if you have to, you can uninstall unnecessary apps. Open Settings and Apps and then Installed Apps. Click on the three dots next to the unused apps and select Uninstall. Restart your computer, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.